featuring in the simulation room. Optimize. What the fuck is that noise? I keep hearing little tiny ass chingles. Where the fuck these chingles coming from? Am I tweaking, chat? You guys hear it too? What the fuck is that? Do I have something open? What the fuck is making that noise? You SOB. Alright. You say I'm going crazy? No, bro. I legit heard it twice. It better not be because my headphones connected to like another thing. That was cool. What the heck? There goes that sound again. It happened again, bro. Give me a sec, chat. I'm gonna find the source of that sound. I'm closing down everything. Hold on. Close. Nah, I'm closing down everything and I'm reopening everything up again. Close. Close. All right. I shouldn't hear that sound ever again now, technically. I'm reopening up the browsers because, yo, that sound is driving me insane. It sounds like a little fanfare noise. The sound popped up again, chat. The sound happened again. I'm cooked. I don't know where the sound is coming from. I'm cooked. Let me find it, bro. Nah, hold up. What the fuck? What is giving me that noise? You see, now I gotta know how to turn that sound off. I don't know what causes all that noise to just happen. It's constantly ring. It's the setting. Give me a sec. Where is it? Steam, settings, notification. Play a sound when a notification toast is displayed. No fucking way. No fucking way. When a friend joins the game, when a friend comes online. Hold on. I'm gonna try that one right now. I'm gonna turn it on when a friend comes online. Let me see. Somebody go on and offline like right now. And if I hear that sound, bro. That is not, no. Okay, Hidden is playing balloons. Okay, Karu is playing Sunhaven. Simi is playing Street Fighter. You said, can you not mute the sounds? Hold on. Play a sound when a notification toast is displayed. It says, show notification toast. Notifications will be displayed when they arrive. They can customize. Bro. Show toast. What the fuck is a toast? It says, it shows toast. Chat, what is a toast? And I'm not talking about the bread. No. Look at what I'm looking at in my shit. Friend notifications. When a friend joins a game, toasts will only display when you're not in game. What the fuck is a toast? What's a toast? Show toast. It's a temporary pop-up message. Turn it off. Turn it off. Where the sound? What is that noise now? It's like now I invited another demon into this shit. What is that noise now? Now it's a... What is that noise? This is Zorb shit. What the fuck is a Zorb? The notif that comes up showing when a friend gets in a game. Glorb? What is that noise? Why does that keep happening? Play sound. Yo, everything is off, chat, so why the fuck are noises still popping up? You know what I'm about to do? When that sound pops up again, I'm about to close out. Hold on. I'm closing out all my browsers. Give me a sec. So you see, so it's not my browser. I closed out all my browsers. Where's Steam? When I hear that sound, I'm gonna end task. It was Steam! So Steam is making all that fucking noise, bro! It's fucking Steam. Right when it was in the middle of making the noise, I fucking closed it out. I force closed it. So it's fucking Steam making all this stupid fucking noise. All this fucking time. Why the fuck did Steam just start randomly making noise like that? I reopened Steam. Now the noise is gonna keep happening. Where is that noise coming from? How is that noise happening? Is it DMs? I don't even know. Did we fix it? I think I fixed it. Bro! Okay, I don't hear the now we gotta hit. I gotta see if that little ring bullshit's gonna keep happening. Fucking me turning into a freaking sociopath. I'm schizo the fuck out. I feel like I'm fucking Venom right now. Ah! Fuck! That's all I'm hearing in my ears the whole 3 days of Christmas. Ring! 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 Get that shit out my fucking ears, bro. I'm tired. I think we fixed it. Beautiful. Where's my audio? Where is my audio? I'm about to... Yo, if I see a pedestrian outside, hold on. Let me not say nothing that's gonna get me banned on Twitch. Bro, OBS don't want to work at all. OBS is cooked. Spotify is cooked. Where's all my applications? Bro, where's Spotify? Spotify don't want to fucking work. Is this Spotify then? Hold up. Hold up. We're standing face to face. It's fucking not. So why the fuck is it giving me fucking problems? Bitch, stay closed. Bro, what is going on? Why is Steam not working? What the hell is happening? Bro, this is what happened yesterday's stream. Remember yesterday's stream, chat? I was like, the audio's going all over the place. Scuff stream on Christmas. You know what? I bet you the browser's dead too now. If I try to play like Christmas songs on the browser, it's dead. Where's that bling coming from? I'm not ending stream. You know what I'm about to do? I'm about to go crazy. I'm about to uninstall every extension, uninstall every fucking thing, unfriend everybody on fucking Steam until we get to the point where the fuck is that bling coming from? You said turn end stream? That's the thing, Owl. I already did that. I did that. That sound was happening yesterday. Guess what I did when I ended stream yesterday, chat? I turned off the stream. I rebooted the PC up today. Went live. The bring keeps on happening. The reset doesn't work. The reset doesn't work. There's something in here causing that bring to happen. You say use Firefox? Bro, if I close this out, oh my God, here. Motherfuckers telling me to use fucking Firefox like it's gonna solve all my problems. If I still hear that fucking bring and I got Firefox open, I'm coming for y'all freaking... I'm coming for y'all toes, bro. I'm coming for y'all fucking toes. I can't make that shit up. Twice! Twice! I got... Where's that noise coming from? Font settings, message animations, enabled, chat notifications. This is it. No way. Positive game sound 4 OGG. This better not be the fucking sound I think it is. This better not be the fucking sound I think it is. Oh my God, bro, this is what it was. The whole fucking time. When the fuck did this shit get enabled? Who enabled this? Oh my God, bro, OBS, if you're watching me, fuck you. I never enabled that shit. Don't be turning shit on that I never fucking approved of. I never fucking approved of that shit. You said Travin enabled this? Ain't no way, bro. Travin don't even got access. Travin only got access to the other shits, bro. That stupid ass sound. It says trigger a sound to notify when there is when there is a new chat activity. You gotta be out of your fucking mind. That sound only played when there's new chat activity. So you telling me whenever a person just decided to talk, you see, that's why I was going crazy, bro. That sound didn't stop popping up. And then I was playing Zenless Zone Zero yesterday, and you know, new chatters are coming into the Zenless Zone Zero chat because it's kind of like they're just new viewers, right? Every time a new viewer was in that shit when I was doing the sponsor segment, I kept hearing that fucking noise in my head, and nobody else was hearing it in the chat except me. I was the only one listening to that shit, and it was driving me fucking insane, bro. Oh my God, the pain finally fucking stops. The pain finally fucking stops. Yo, Streamlabs, you better not be going to no award shows, because guess what? I'm not voting for your ass. You guys fucking pissed me off this holiday season.